Okay. Okay, I got the welder out. There's the welder. It's Mad Max in the garage once again. Why am I always in here? Let's just move my bed in here and a TV and an Xbox and a bottle of lube and just live out in the garage. Anyway, working on the old nasty rusty Chevy pickup. I was going to show the metalwork here a little bit before I got too far ahead. This is what I came up with. I made my patch panels, of course, right here, you know, and got it in there, got fitting in there real nice and perfect. You don't want to put these, either one of them like perfectly like with the metal or below it. So when you put your putty on, you don't have pregnant body work. That's where it's fatter than it should be. So I usually, on a cheap, quicko, bango job like this one, I'm just putting it underneath. And then I just have a little lip. I just push down on it, weld it, and it pulls back. It's pretty flat. Some guys, they have like this little tool that puts this edge on here and you can lay it down in there. I don't have that crimper tool. I had one and it busted and I just never got another one. And it didn't work. It takes forever because it's like, psh, psh, it has like a little clamp. So you're like, psh, psh, psh. It takes forever. So, this is just old Chevy. But, this is a quicko. This is where I did the double lip down here, right here. So, anyway, I'll get this welded in. The other side's already welded it I already put some putty on it. So, I wanted to show the metal work. So, here we go. Gonna weld this one in, put some putty on it, pull the truck in the garage because my neighbors are having some kind of garden party, and they're already pissed off. I'm doing all this grinding. So anyway, all right. Mad Max. Gonna get some suntan today. All right, out.